Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is large numbers up to 10 crores. So in the earlier class, that is in class 4, you all might have learned up to a certain place value. That is, you have learned up to thousands or the 10,000s, or maybe up to lakhs. But here we will be further discussing up to 10 crores. So let us begin the chapter. Now, before beginning, we have to know something that is called place value. You might have heard this term called place value. Now, what is place value? It is defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Suppose we are given a number and you are told to find the place value of the digits of the number. So, in order to know that, we have to know the place value. So let us see one example. Say we have a number this. Now how can we represent this number in the Indian place value chart? There are two place value chart. One is the Indian and one is the international. So first we'll discuss the Indian one. So if we have to put it in the place value chart, we can put it in this way: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. It will start from the right side and move on to the left. So we'll place the number. Now accordingly, after placing the number, we can write it in numerals. In numerals, we can write it down by using the commas. We all know where to put the comma. After 3 places, comma, then rest will be after 2 places. And if we have to spell it in words, we all know it is 72 lakhs 34,592. So this is very simple. And how can we do all of this? Only if we know the place value. So first of all, we have to put the number in the place values. Only then we can write down the numeral in terms of words as well as in terms of numerals, you can say, by using the commas. So moving on. Next is the periods in the place value chart. What are the periods? How many periods are there in the place value chart? We are discussing about the Indian place value chart. Remember that. So in the Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods. Actually, there are 9 places, and these 9 places are, what are these places? These are the place value places. Place value. These are the place values. There are 9 place values in Indian place value chart, and according to this chart, and these 9 place values can be divided into 4 periods. So let us see what are those 4 periods. Now these 4 periods are again from the left to the right. It is always from the left to the right. This is the chronology. So you can say they are the ones, the thousands, the lakhs, and the crores. So let us see the place value chart. Only then it will be clear for us. This is given in your textbook. You can see the ones, the thousands, the lakhs, and the crores. These are the periods, the 4 periods. And which are the 9 place values? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 place values. As I have written here, 9 places. These 9 places are divided into 4 periods. Clear? So what are these? Under the 1 period, there is ones, tens, and hundreds. Under the 1,000, there is thousands and 10,000s. Under the lakh, there is lakh and 10 lakhs. And under the crores, that is crore and 10 crore. We will be studying up till 10 crore. Clear? Now, next is crores and 10 crores. This is the main topic that has been discussed in this chapter. We will be dealing with this. Say we have a number this. Then this can be represented in the Indian place value chart. How? In this way we can do it. from the left to the right, sorry, from the right to the left, we have to place it. Clear? And then similarly, we can use the commas. We can use the commas. After 3, we'll place the comma, then rest will be after 2. And we all know what is this number? 10 crores, 72 lakhs, 34,592. This is very simple topic, not much tough to understand. Next is the example. Let us see one example. This is directly from your textbook. Suppose we have to arrange these numbers or these numerals, you can say, in the place value chart. That is the Indian place value chart, by separating the periods. So we know how many periods are there? 4 periods are there, and these are the place values. Then we have to place it from the, see, you can check the numbers are not placed from the left side, it is placed from the right side. This is the rule. We have to place it from the right side, not from the left side. From the right side we will start and go to the left. So that's why you can see there is a gap here. If this number would have been placed from the left, then there will be a gap here. But since it is placed from the, according to the rule, it is placed from the right side. So this is the rule. So we will place from the right side the numbers, whatever numbers we are given, and accordingly using the comma. This is very simple. So this you can try at home. You can see here it is written, starting from the right, we make all the entries of the digits of each numeral. These are the digits 1, 3, 6, 9, 0, 9, 5. These are called digits, and as a whole it is called a number or a numeral. I hope you know this. And then by using the comma, after first 3 places you have to put the comma, then rest will be after each 2 places. Clear? Now the next example, same thing, just you have to write the words. It is also very easy, nothing much to explain here. You can write this just by looking where it is placed in the place value. Say this is in, this 2 is placed in lakhs, so it will be definitely 2,95,708. Similarly, you have to see where it is placed, and accordingly you have to write in words. Now the next example, place value. Find the place value. If you are given the number and you are not given this thing, only just the number, and you have to find out the place value of each of the digits. Each of the digits. So what will be the place value of 1? Place value of 1 will be 1. And whatever the place value, you have to multiply with that to get the value, the place value. So the number 1 is in the ones place, so it will be multiplied with 1. 8 is in the tens place, so it will be multiplied with 10. 2 is in the hundred place, it will be multiplied with 100. Similarly, it will go on. In which place the digit lies, accordingly, you have to multiply with that number, and only then we will get its value. And when we add all of this, we will get this same number. Clear? Now next number is, you have to expand. This is similar to the earlier example. If you are given a number, just put it in the place values and then you have to expand it. The earlier example was done in a vertical manner, and here it is done in a horizontal manner. No much difference. We have multiplied this 6 into 1. We have multiplied this 1 into 10. This 3 into 100. Similarly, we have multiplied it, and there in the earlier example we have not added it. Here we have added it. That's it. If we keep it in this way also, it is correct. And if we add all of this, we will get the same number again. So this is very simple. You have to just multiply with the place value. 6 is multiplied with 1. Why? Because it is in the ones place value. 1 is multiplied with 10. Why? It is because it is in the tens place value. Similarly, 3 is multiplied with 100. 0 is multiplied with 1000. It will be ultimately 0. 7 is multiplied with 10,000. 5 is multiplied with 1 lakh. 0 is multiplied with 10 lakhs. 9 is multiplied with 1 crore. And 4 is multiplied with 10 crore. That's what is written here. But yes, do remember while placing how many zeros are there in a crore, in a lakh, in 10 lakh. You have to be clear with that. Don't make mistake while placing the zeros. Clear? So I hope You all have understood this. You can practice. There are a lot of questions given in your textbook. Only practice can make you understand more better. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.